Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be literally a chit chat get ready with me. My beauty room is completely torn apart. I'm literally making do with what I've got right here. And I am apologizing right now for not uploading this week. I have been crazy busy with my move and I just haven't had any time at all to film. Literally, like no time at all, zero. So I've been so stressed and I've wanted to get a video up, so here I am doing a get ready with me. I'm just gonna tell you guys what's going on, where we're moving, just everything. And if you can hear airplanes, that's because I live on a military base and right now they're just putting on a little show tomorrow and they're practicing today. The airplanes doing their little tricks and things like that. So I am just gonna do a get ready with me like I would do on my Instagram or my Facebook. Super cash, same product that I always use. Luminizer Pores No More by Dr. Brandt's. So yeah, and I'm wearing my Fitbit because I got a new one a couple days ago and I am loving it. I'm just gonna go with something really light. I don't wanna be completely naked on the face today. I'm gonna mix these guys. I almost broke them. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless, and this is the Dewy Smooth. One's light, one's dark. I'm just gonna mix them. I really haven't worn these in like months, but today I'm gonna wear them. So, okay guys, for those of you guys who don't know, I am moving in a week and a half. My husband got accepted into the Navy. We're currently in the Air Force, so we've got to switch over branches, and my husband is going to officer training school in Rhode Island, where he is going to do some basic training, and after he's done with that, he's going to go to flight school in Pensacola, and he's going to be a pilot. So that's going to be really fun, new adventures. I'm very stressed out. This is gonna be like the first time I've been away from my husband and been with Hudson for a really long time. I mean, I've done deployments, I can do deployments, but it's a million times harder with a kid. And this isn't a deployment, this is just, I can't be with him while he's at this training, so it's only 3 months. I guess it's not too long. I'm just gonna be living at home with my family just to save some extra money. I've been pretty stressed, just trying to figure out what we're gonna do with all the stuff that we have. I'm trying to like sell a whole bunch of stuff. It's just a huge process and it's just really stressing me out. Plus we have a kid and it makes it even way more stressful to like figure out what to do and how to pack with him in the room and just everything. I know everybody's like, oh, get a babysitter. Well, we don't have tons of friends to ask to babysit. I mean, I don't want to just plant him on people all day long. So yeah, and we just got a new car, so that kind of relieved some stress that we've been having. But we've just got like this huge checklist that we've been doing and it's just been crazy. But we're getting through. Moving is always just such a stressful time. I'm just happy that I've got family members to be by our side and help us along the way. Seriously, it's so random that I'm even wearing this foundation, but I really do love it. I've just been going through all my stuff, so I saw that sitting there, so I was like, oh, maybe I'll just try that out today. All right, I'm gonna go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer that I have been dyeing over these last few weeks. Seriously, it's such an oldie but a goodie and I can't believe I set it to the side. This is just so good. I love it. You guys need to pick you some up. So yeah, we're moving to Florida. I think I've already mentioned that in a video, but I'm moving home while he's in training and we're living with my aunt, and then he'll get done with training in June, so we're gonna go to his graduation, which will be so stinking fun. I'm so excited for that. But yeah, that's what he's gonna do. Oh my gosh, I'm using like all Maybelline products. Maybe I should just make this into a Maybelline video. I'm gonna set my under eye with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the shade Fair Claire. So yeah, we'll go to his graduation in June, and then after that we're gonna go back home for 3 months while he does like this recruiting assistance thing. And then after that, we'll be in Pensacola for a few months until he's done with his like flight training, and then we'll get our first like duty station. So that's kind of exciting. We're not going to be in Pensacola for too long, but I'm excited about that, to be in Pensacola and then see where we go next. I'm kind of excited but nervous to see where we land. Okay, I forgot how much I love this foundation, especially mixed together. I love it. I'm literally just gonna bronze my face up with this Sephora bronzer. This is in the shade Los Cabos. So I'm just gonna grab a brush. I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So yeah, that's what's been going on in my life. It's just kind of crazy. But it's good. We're excited. I'm so excited for Courtney. We've been working out a ton lately too, so that's been really good, and we've been getting super healthy for all of his trainings, and I love that. I've been filming a few like workout videos that I think are fun, and it's kind of fun to mix things up on my channel, you know, not just do like makeup stuff all the time, but mix it up to other things. I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrow routine, and I'll be right back. Okay, my brows are on. I'm gonna go ahead and go into this Tarte Rainforest of the Sea palette, and I'm just gonna pick up this like super gold shade and just apply it to my lid kind of messily. I'm not gonna really care too much. So guys, I have not done a giveaway on my channel, but I'm gonna tell you guys right now, if I hit 10,000 subscribers, or when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I will be doing a gigantic giveaway. I'm telling you right now, to show you guys how much I love you guys. So I thought that would be so much fun when I hit like my biggest milestone. I feel like 5,000 is amazing. I'm so thankful for you guys. So when I hit 10,000 subscribers, I will be doing a gigantic giveaway. So keep that in mind. I know that's kind of far away. I'm only at almost 6,000 now, but telling you guys, it's in the future and I'm gonna do it. Okay guys, for highlighter, I'm gonna go into this Oasis Highlight Kit by Bad Habit. I hardly ever touch it. And I'm just gonna go into this shade called Nude Beach, and I'm gonna pick it up and just highlight away. Woo. Okay, I'm gonna apply mascara. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, I believe in black brown. All right, last but not least, lips. This is the Essence Porcelain Doll lipstick. It's very nude, like almost butt naked nude. But I like it, and I like wearing it on days like I'm really lazy. I love this lipstick, even when I just am like popping a gloss over top, but I know it's bare. I know it's naked, but. Okay guys, here is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed my little update. I'm sorry if things are stressful these next few weeks. I'm just trying to get by, but I will be posting some more videos, hopefully. And help me get to 10,000 subscribers. I will be doing a giveaway as soon as I hit 10,000. It's gonna be a really big giveaway, I promise. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!